Hey friends, Miss Wendy here with the Fairfield Public Library, and today we are going to be making some bubble wands and bubble solution. Please join me and I'll show you how to make them. In the bag that you picked up from the Fairfield Public Library or the Woods Branch Library, you will find 4 chenille stems, 1 craft stick, some glycerin, dish detergent, and a container of pony beads.
You'll also need a bit of warm tap water.
Let's get started.
Be careful handling the chenille stems. The ends can be sharp.
I'm going to use these 2 colors because I really like them together, and I'm just going to twist, 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 and kind of make it look like a candy cane, right? I'm just going to twist it down. And then what I'm going to do is just go ahead and make a circle. Now you'll use about 1/3 of the stem to make the circle, and it'll end up looking about that size. And then you need a little bit of an end, and you're just going to twist that together. Twist, twist, twist. And now let's put some beads on it. I'm just going to put some beads on there. I'm going to dump my beads out so I have better access to them. Now, if you have more beads at home that you wanted to add, that's great. If you wanted to count these out, if you're oh, there goes one. If you're making 2 and you want to make sure that you have enough for the second one, you can divide them into 2, the beads. But I'm just gonna eyeball it like that. And so, all right, I think that's enough for me. And what I'm gonna do is just bend the end here, and I'm going to just push it underneath one of the pony beads. So I have a little handle here, and this is going to be where I'm blowing my bubbles. And I think I'd like to make this one into a heart. So I'm just going to push that down like that. I'm going to see what kind of bubbles I can blow with a heart wand. All right, there's one done. And again, I'm just going to twist, twist all the way down. And again, and this one I'm going to leave a circle. So I'm just going to bend and make a circle, and then leave that little bit of an end there, and then just kind of wrap it around. Great. And now I'm going to put the rest of my beads on. Okay, and I'm done with that. I'm just going to bend this up, stick it underneath the last bead there. Great, there's my other bubble wand. Now I'm going to put those aside for a minute and mix our bubble solution. The one thing that you will need is some warm water. So if you want to pause the video and go get it now, that'd be great. Here's my warm water. This is the cup from the beads, and I'm just going to pour some warm water into the cup, not all the way, about that much. And I'm going to use my craft stick and stir it in. And now the vegetable glycerin, you can add little by little and see how you like the bubbles. And let's see if we can blow some bubbles with this bubble solution. This gets a little messy, so you might want to do this outside. But I'm just going to show you. So you can dip your bubble wand in, and let's see how they look. There they are. Did you see those bubbles? Nice. Oh, that was a big one. All right, I'm going to try the heart and see what type of bubbles we get from the heart wand. Ah! You may have to play around with the recipe a little bit. And it's just dish soap, vegetable glycerin, and water, so you can experiment. There's a bubble. Did you notice any different shape bubbles from the heart wand? Look at those bubbles. So I hope you enjoyed this DIY. Again, it is messy, so clean up, please. So I hope you had such a great time making our bubble wands and our bubble solution. I hope you'll experiment with making bubbles, maybe adding a little more glycerin, maybe adding a little more dish detergent from your house. And I hope you'll enjoy blowing bubbles all summer long. Please check our calendar for upcoming DIY and summer events. Have a great day. Thanks so much for joining me, friends. Bye-bye.